ठीक, आज हम जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 और 4 है सेक्शन ए का, उसको डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। इसमें क्वेश्चन आप देखेंगे तो इट रिक्वायर्स इंटीग्रेशन 3। क्वेश्चन 3 का critically how anthropologists assess the nutritional status of a community। How anthropologists assess the nutritional status of a community। सेकेंड पार्ट जो क्वेश्चन का है उसमें डिस्कस द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ इंटरसेक्शनलिटी of ecology culture and inequality in the study of एंथ्रोपोलॉजी। इस क्वेश्चन में एंथ्रोपोलॉजी anthropologists assess the nutritional status of a community in term of anthropometric indices such as wastage, stunted, anemia etc। इसमें हम लोगों को न्यूट्रिशनल स्टेटस ऑफ ए कम्युनिटी में एंथ्रोपोलॉजिकल जो मेजरमेंट्स हैं न्यूट्रिशन के, उसको हमको खाका कमिटी से जस्टिफाई करना होगा कि एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट assess the nutritional status of a community in term of wastage, stunted and anemia and energy intake of the community। तो खाका कमेटी का रिपोर्ट 2000 ये ऑथोरिटेटिव सोर्स है। खाका रिपोर्ट प्रेजेंट poor nutritional status of tribal people of tribal society as follows। इसमें मेरी किताब है ट्राइबल इंडिया ट्राइबल इंडिया में अभी लेटेस्ट हमारी बुक है ट्राइबल इंडिया, इसमें इसमें आपको खाका कमेटी का जो रिपोर्ट है एस्टिमेट क्या हुआ है, इससे आप फिगर इसमें भी दे सकते हैं और खाका रिपोर्ट से भी दे सकते हैं। इसमें बताया गया है कि 53% बॉयज एंड 50% गर्ल्स अंडर ट्राइबल गर्ल of tribal society under 5 years are wasted, means underweight. नेक्स्ट है सेकेंड, 57% of tribal boys and 52% of tribal girls under 5 years are stunted. That is less height as per their age. तो ये स्टैंडर्ड बेसिस। देन अदर जो डाटा है 49% जो ट्राइबल पीपल हैं उनका न्यूट्रिशनल इनटेक कम है। तो ये डाटा को आप उससे सप्लीमेंट कर लेंगे। खाका रिपोर्ट का जो डाटा है वो आपको खाका रिपोर्ट में भी और इसे आंसर को थोड़ा न्यूट्रिशनल स्टेटस के बारे में फिर हम अदर इसमें सप्लीमेंट करेंगे, जैसे डेथ ऑफ जुआंग चिल्ड्रेन। द अदर एविडेंस आल्सो प्रूव, जैसे डेथ ऑफ जुआंग चिल्ड्रेन ऑफ 19 जुआंग चिल्ड्रेन in 2016 in Nagda village in Jajpur district, Odisha. Due to malnutrition also reflect poor nutritional status in tribal Shivhar district. In the Shivhar district of Madhya Pradesh, Saharia tribal in the Shivpur district of Madhya Pradesh there is a high prevalence of malnutrition disease, and tuberculosis, which shows poor nutritional status. Nutritional condition. तो ये Saharia type and Zhuang cases are very clinching evidence of poor nutritional status of the tribal society. Next part of the question, discuss the significance of intersectionality of ecology, culture and social inequality. देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में कई चीजों के बीच इंटर रिलेशन दिखलाना है, इकोलॉजी, कल्चर एंड एक्चुअली सम इकोलॉजी present better food intake, food resources, and some ecology is poor in nutritional food. For example, the Arctic region of the Eskimo lack plant food, but Eskimo has very rich animal nutrition. The fat content provide enough fat content in animal food, present high intake of calorie. Some environment, for example, I have given here the example of Saharia tribe of simple. Saharia tribe suffer from chronic drought situations. As a result, there is a food shortage in the Saharia. Government schemes such as PDS is not providing sufficient food to them to survive. As a result, Saharia tribe is a very classic example of poor nutritional ecology. So some environment is so nutritionally poor that government have to take extra measure to provide food item in them. Secondly, as I told, region vary in the nutritional resources, and the nutritional resources of the area is exploited by the people as per their culture. Culture is a very important component between man and environment. Kharia tribal, because of their cultural belief, do not take milk. They believe that as mother milk is the father child, so the cow milk is for the calf. So because of this cultural belief, they do not drink milk and get deprived of nutrition of the milk. The other factor, social inequality. Though tribal society is egalitarian, so in hunting tribal, for example, in Bushman and other hunting tribal, if food is available, that is available to all. And if a person has got a hunt and other are not privileged to have hunt, then there is a system of sharing. Hunt meat is shared by all. In the Korwa tribe, D.N. Majumdar found that hunting is followed by feasting in the whole community. and care is taken that in the distribution of meat no one is left out. So there is a system of sharing in the tribal, and as a result tribal people have equal access in the food in some of the tribal. In the chiefdom, for example, in Coquitlam Indian of the northwest coast of America, the chief has higher access of food, and they have a lot of wealth, but there is also a system of redistribution among them, potlatch. In the potlatch, not only they chief provide fish to the people, but also distribute gift and in show of destroy thing. In the Angami Naga, there is also a system of redistribution. If a farmer have very good crop, he is under obligation, customary obligation to provide fish to his villagers. So in this way, even in the kingdom, even in the system in which some are better privileged to have greater access to food, there is some mechanism that ensure redistribution of food. So overall, nutritional status of the tribal society is poor, and so government have to make some intervention to provide, and in this way government under ICDC program, Anganwadi centers take a special care of mother and children by providing them supplementary diet, iron tablet and other things to provide them to prevent mother and pregnant women, lactating mothers and children from deprivation of essential micronutrient and energy. Next question is, critically examining the drawback in assuming culture as an integrated closed system in understanding of contemporary society. Here the word 3B. Critically examine the drawback in assuming culture as integrated closed system in contemporary here the framing of the question is contradictory. See, culture is of course integrated system. Culture is integrated system. Integrated. All culture elements are harmoniously integrated to function as a whole. And if we look at indigenous society such as Eskimo, Bushman, Australian Aboriginal, Andamanese tribal of Andaman, Onge, Great Andamanese, Shompen, Jarwa. They were previously, before contact with outsider, they have integrated and closed cultural system. Before contact with outsiders, Australian Aboriginals, Plain Aboriginals, Eskimo of the Arctic region, Andamanese, we can give the name Great Andamanese, Onge, Jarwa, Bushman, etc. Before outsider contact, their culture is integrated and closed. Before their contact with non-tribal, their culture is integrated closed system. It is a fact. But in the contemporary context, they have come in contact with the non-tribal, whether it is Australian Aboriginals, Bushman, Eskimo and Great Andamanese. All the indigenous tribal of the world have now come in contact with the contemporary population, modern population, and in this context there are exchange of cultural element. They are taking the cultural elements of the non-tribal society. Government have also made after 1950 in most all these indigenous tribal have now all the indigenous except indigenous people except Sentinelese, which is still outside the non-tribal contact. All the indigenous population have come in non-tribal contact and getting their cultural traits. After 1950, the government of the respective region of the tribals, for example, Australian Aboriginals also, government has made intervention. Resettlement scheme have launched in Australian Aboriginals, Andamanese in 1978. Colonies were built for settlement of Onge, and they were settled in 2 colonies in Dugong Creek area. So, and they were provided ration and other items, given job in the coconut garden. So they were now in contact with the outsiders. Bushmen has also, some of the Bushmen have got settled by the government. So in all the tribal, all the indigenous people, there is some cultural exchange from outside. As a result, their system is not closed. Their culture is now not closed and integrated. Some of the tribal have definitely adjusted modern cultural element with their culture system. For example, the Gadwa tribe of Odisha got a culture technique from the non-tribal, but still maintain their culture. Tribal of Arunachal Pradesh, though have adopted modern dress and have adopted modern agriculture techniques, but they still retain their culture. So some of the tribals are integrating the culture element from the outside society. Their system is integrated but not closed. So question say that because of the contact with the outside world, it is wrong to assume that in tribal society culture is closed. They are taking element of outside society, and some of the tribal have made adjustment of the outsider text and their culture is integrated. Government of India has also adopted integration policy which aims to develop the tribal along their culture. So tribal also favor this integration approach of development. Next question, C. Differentiate between pedigree and genealogical analysis. Discuss the history and application of the method. Pedigree and genealogy are the ways of, yet means of tracing ancestry. Genealogy genealogy is the study of people and tracing their lineage and history. Genealogy is an analytical tool for studying kinship and social organization. Pedigree is a chart of individual ancestors. Mayor Fort is anthropologist. Define pedigree as a charter by which a particular person presents himself as the descendant of a specified ancestor. Pedigree analysis is very useful in studying Mendelian inheritance of a genetic trait, especially familial diseases. Pedigree is also useful in assessing cousin relationship between two individuals through identifying their immediate ancestors. Though they are the way of tracing ancestry, however, there are certain differences. Elman distinction between pedigree and Alman while writing about Kamdian Sinhalese draws a distinction between the pedigree which link living people people with dead ancestors and genealogy links living people with people around them. G.A. Varney makes a distinction by saying that genealogical data in ethnographic in ethnographic investigation entails a large entails a much larger range of attribute and network than the people taken into consideration in the collection of pedigree analysis. In the collection of pedigree analysis. So these are some of distinction between two. Pedigree is a generally you can say is a social tool of innovation, and pedigree is more used by physical anthropologists. Actually, pedigree has been used before Mendel's law for identification of possibility of occurrence of genetic disease in a family. So it has a long history. On the other hand, genealogical method is used by the genealogical method was proposed and popularized by W.H. Arriver in the and popularized by W.H. Arriver in the study of Torres Strait Islander in 1898, and later in Toda in 1904. Geological method involved drawing a chart by taking family head and putting other person around him. So it is in geological method a family history of ancestor and descendant, help ethnographer to study kinship, to study population dynamics, and to know about property inheritance. T.C. Das used geological method in the Puram Kuki, and the use of geological method in Puram Kuki was so important that the whole issue of, I have mentioned about T.C. Das. T.C. Das used geological method in the study of Puram Kuki, and the study was so important that the whole is one issue of the journal of American Anthropology. Already I have discussed anthropologist was devoted to interpret and reinterpret the finding of the Puram Kuki because it was based on geological methods. I have already discussed about that. Next question 4. Anthropology provide a multi-dimensional understanding of human being. Question 4. Anthropology provide a multi-dimensional understanding of human being by bridging the gap between science and humanity. So multi-dimensional understanding of human being और दूसरा है and bridge the gap between science in this we have to show that anthropology is holistic study of man. Anthropology is the holistic study of man. Holistic study means it study man from biological, social, cultural, economic and political point of view. So anthropology multidimensional. It studies man from various angles. Already these dimensions are studied under 5 branches. There are 4 sub branches of anthropology. Anthropology, physical anthropology, other is socio-cultural, cultural anthropology, archaeological anthropology and linguistic anthropology. Actually, socio-cultural anthropology, cultural anthropology is a very broad discipline. Culture, everything man-made is cultural. So cultural anthropology subsumes all aspects: social, economic, political, archaeological, all come within cultural anthropology. So if we divide anthropology in 2 major branches, one is physical anthropology, another is cultural anthropology. So these 4 branches bridges the gap between science and humanities. These 4 branches we will discuss. These 4 branches bridges the gap between science and humanities. Physical anthropology that aims to study biological aspect of man, which studies biological aspect such as evolution, genetics, evolution, fossil, genetics, race, etc. is scientific both in content and method of study. Socio-cultural anthropology which studies society and culture, and culture is scientific as well as humanistics. So this is a bit debatable. R.B. Radcliffe Brown and Malinowski following organic model of society hold the view that society is like organism and so it must be studied scientifically through field work. As in physical sciences, laboratory method is scientific. In anthropology, field work is scientific method. So Radcliffe Brown and Molmusky hold the view that anthropology is a science because it studies society scientifically through field work. On the other hand, is Evans Pritchard hold the view that society is a moral and symbolic system so anthropology is a humanistic symbolic anthropologist like Calforgage and postmodernist like Michael Foucault also hold the view that anthropology is humanistic. They hold the view that human beings are not objects, and so they have emotion, feeling, and own interpretation of meaning of their life. So their meaning of life cannot be understood by scientific methods. So anthropology is humanistic. So the branches of anthropology, linguistic anthropology, which studies literature, art, make anthropology humanistic. So The branches of anthropology bridges the gap between science and humanity. B. Write a note on Mostian tool tradition, Mostian culture and its maker. इस क्वेश्चन में ये निंदरथल स्टेज का कल्चर है. निंदरथल was made by Neanderthal fossil which lived in Europe in the cold climate of Europe, in the cold climate of Europe between 1 lakh to 40,000 years ago. Mostian culture is a fresh flag-based culture important tool types are a scraper, borer, और यहाँ फिगर बना देंगे कि भाई इस तरह का टूल्स है, या जैसा एक टूल का फिगर बना देंगे. यू मस्ट अटेम्प्ट कि आपने प्रयास किया है और ये प्रयास करके बना देंगे. दूसरा ये है मॉस्टियन कल्चर टूल ट्रेडिशन में बोन टूल भी इन्होंने बनाया, बोन टूल. और तीसरा है बरियल रिचुअल. चूंकि इराक में ए चाइल्ड वाज buried on the bed of flowers, that so they also practice burial ritual. Neanderthal also take care of old and sick. So this is what Mostian culture. Next question number 4. C. James Fraser evolutionary theory. Fraser holds the view that knowledge passes through 3 stages. Magic, science, magic, religion, in magic man does not acknowledge God ever himself. he boasts to control supernatural natural through his magical technique. But when he fails, he assumes he bow before supernatural praise him, offer prayer to him, and through his blessing seeks to solve his problem. So, religion, the change of attitude from arrogance to submission towards supernatural magic evolve into religion. So the main difference between religion and magic is that in magic, man claims to control supernatural. His attitude to supernatural is arrogant. But as he fails to achieve his goal, his attitude toward supernatural becomes submissive. और जैसे ही उसका विचार ईश्वर के प्रति सबमिसिव होता है, मैजिक इवॉल्व इनटू रिलीजन. जैसे हम मंदिर जाते हैं तो वी बो बिफोर सुपरनेचुरल, हम झुकते हैं मंदिर जाने. ये शो करता है कि एक्नॉलेज गॉड एबव आवरसेल्फ, और हम उनका ब्लेसिंग लेते हैं और अपनी समस्याओं का निदान चाहते हैं. तो इस तरह से जैसे एटीट्यूड में चेंज आया, मैजिक इवॉल्व इनटू रिलीजन. और रिलीजन में मैन स्टार्टेड वर्शिपिंग सेवरल एस्पेक्ट्स, नेचर एस्पेक्ट्स, एंसेस्टर एस्पेक्ट्स एंड वर्शिपिंग डेइटीज. जैसे हिंदू जो एनिमिस्टिक ट्राइबल हैं, दे वर्शिप नेचर एस्पेक्ट एंड एंसेस्टर एस्पेक्ट. जो हमारे ट्राइबल हैं झारखंड के और डिफरेंट रीजन के, दे are animistic and they worship nature aspects and ancestral aspects. Hindus worship different god, Lord, goddess Durga. Now we are Durga, Lakshmi, Shiva. So these are Vishnu. These are the different deities in Hinduism, and we worship different god for achievement of different goals. But when man delusion from worshipping God that they are not getting their goals, achieving their goals, then after this disillusionment, man accepted science as a means of solving problem, and then knowledge passes into science stage. So these are the evolutionary phases proposed by James Frazer in his book Golden Bough. फ्रेजर गोल्डन बो में ये सारी इवोल्यूशनरी थ्योरी उसने प्रपोज किया. नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज इलुसिडेट द प्लेस ऑफ रिलीजन Here we have to show कि religion still continues despite growth of scientific knowledge, industrialization, urbanization, and modernization. Even scientists also expresses their faith in God. Several times, ISRO chairman, before the launch of Chandrayaan, go to Tirupati temple and seek blessing of the supernatural in the successful launch of the Chandrayaan. So scientists also express their faith in God. So religion continues despite the growth of scientific thinking, despite modernity. We see that several tribal, for example, the tribal of Arunachal Pradesh, now they have adopted modernity in dress, food habit, but they still practice their traditional religion, and they in their traditional dress, when they come to assemble dance, perform dances, that shows that their religion, their culture still persists despite external modernities. So place of religion in society still persists despite modernity. Thanks.